Good afternoon, welcome to ISE 2025. I'm Daniel Napier from Ikan. I'm here just to showcase some of our turnkey prompter solutions. This is a quite unique solution. We're looking at a split beam prompter with a prompter screen, an NDI talent monitor. This is unique to us. It also sits on a motorized pedestal that can be controlled very simply. If you just want to pop around, I'll show you. So to take the complex operation of operating a pedestal, you can either have presets or you can manually control the whole pedestal up or down, making it very easy to control in educational environments, or more importantly in corporate environments where people are less used to operating cameras and studio equipment. So this prompter is, I say, a split beam prompter where the camera would go into the rear. We also do PTZ prompters where the camera fits inside. Typically, you always have a script monitor on the front, which is what reflects your script. But script monitors can be used for many other things too. So they're not just used for prompting. You could use that for a Teams call to reflect the far side Teams customer, so you can see them and make eye-to-eye contact when you're talking. You could use it for a PowerPoint presentation. So when you're talking to the audience, you're looking at your presentation, again, looking into the eyes of the camera, making direct eye-to-eye contact. What is unique here is our NDI monitor. So this is powered over PoE as well, PoE Plus, and powered and controlled. The beauty behind this is you can either control it remotely, or the end user can select their own NDI input, which is unique. Because normally with NDI, you would have to go into Studio Monitor, know your source, and select it manually. With this monitor, we can set up presets. So one could be program output, two could be camera one, and so on. And the end user can just push the button, change the source, making it a much easier experience for the end user ultimately, which again fits very well into broadcast, corporate studios, and so on. That's the product. Please visit our website. It's www.icancorp.com.